Napoleon Hill once said, "Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." This mantra encapsulates the essence of Hill's philosophy, a man who left an indelible mark in the realm of self-improvement and personal success literature. His seminal work, The Law of Success, is a testament to his wisdom, outlining 16 practical lessons for success, each a stepping stone on the path to personal triumph. Today, we delve into these 16 lessons and explore how they can guide us towards personal triumph. The first lesson from Napoleon Hill's book is about the definiteness of purpose. This principle, at its core, is about having a clear, defined objective in mind. It's the starting point of all achievements, the springboard for success. Think of it as setting your GPS before embarking on a journey. Without a destination, you'll wander aimlessly, unable to make progress. But with a precise endpoint in mind, every decision you make, every turn you take, will be guided by that purpose. It's not just about having a goal, it's about having a purpose that is so clear, so definite, that it permeates every fiber of your being. It's the North Star that guides your actions, the beacon that lights your path. It's the difference between wishing for success and working towards it. Definiteness of purpose is like a compass, guiding you through the wilderness of life. It's the tool that helps you navigate through obstacles and challenges, always pointing you in the right direction. With a defined purpose, you set forth a clear path towards success. Hill's second lesson revolves around the concept of a mastermind alliance. This is not merely a group of individuals working together, but a collective that operates in harmony towards a shared objective. It's like a symphony of minds, each contributing their unique notes to create a powerful melody of success. Now, imagine the possibilities when the collective intelligence of a group is focused on a singular goal. The knowledge, skills, and perspectives of different individuals merge into a force that is greater than the sum of its parts. It is this power of unity, this fusion of minds that Hill emphasizes. A mastermind alliance is akin to a lighthouse guiding a ship through the murky waters of uncertainty. It's about collaboration, about leveraging the strengths of others to compensate for our weaknesses. When we align ourselves with others, we amplify our capabilities and heighten our chances of success. The third lesson from Hill is applied faith. Now, faith here doesn't refer to religious belief. Instead, Hill is talking about a profound, unshakable conviction in one's own abilities and ambitions. It's akin to a guiding light, illuminating the path to our goals, even when the road ahead seems steep and fraught with obstacles. This kind of faith empowers us to persevere, to keep pushing forward, regardless of the setbacks we encounter. It's a potent force that provides the momentum needed to transform our dreams into tangible realities. It's about trusting in our ability to succeed, not as a vague hope, but as an unassailable fact. Applied faith is not about blind optimism, it's an active, deliberate choice to believe in ourselves, to trust our journey, even when the destination seems far off. It's about harnessing the power of our beliefs to fuel our progress. By believing in ourselves, we cultivate the power to conquer our goals. Lesson number 4 is going the extra mile. It's about more than just fulfilling your obligations. It's about exceeding them, delivering more than what's expected of you. This principle is a powerful key to success, as it sets you apart from the crowd. It separates the ordinary from the extraordinary. Think about it. When you go the extra mile, you demonstrate your commitment, your passion, and your willingness to work harder than anyone else. It's a testament to your character, your perseverance, and your dedication. Moreover, going the extra mile has a ripple effect. It's not just about personal success. When you consistently deliver more than what's expected, you create a reputation of excellence. This reputation can open doors, create opportunities, and pave the way for greater success. It's a cycle of positivity and success that begins with the simple act of going the extra mile. Going the extra mile not only leads to personal success but also fosters a reputation of excellence. Hill's fifth lesson is the pleasing personality. A pleasing personality is more than just a charming smile or a friendly demeanor. It's a powerful tool that can shape your interactions and influence those around you. It's the trait that makes you approachable, that makes people want to engage with you, to know you better, to work with you. It's about being genuine, being kind, being open. It's about listening as much as speaking, understanding as much as being understood, giving as much as receiving. It's about valuing others, respecting their ideas, their feelings, their contributions. It's about building strong, meaningful relationships that are based on mutual trust and respect. A pleasing personality can open doors of opportunity, it can build bridges, it can inspire others, it can pave the way for success. It's a key element in creating a positive, productive, and rewarding environment, whether at home, at work, or in any social setting. A pleasing personality is a magnet that attracts success. We've barely scratched the surface of Hill's wisdom. There's an abundance of knowledge still to uncover. Personal initiative, for instance, is about taking action without being asked. It's about stepping up and making things happen, not waiting for opportunities to come knocking. Then there's the positive mental attitude. It's about nurturing an optimistic outlook, even in the face of adversity. Remember, your attitude shapes your reality. Enthusiasm follows closely. It's the fuel that sparks motivation and drives us to pursue our dreams with fervor. Next is self-discipline, the backbone of all successful endeavors. It's about harnessing control over oneself, resisting temptation, and staying focused on the goal. Accurate thinking involves making decisions based on facts, not emotions or assumptions. It's about discerning truth from falsehood. Controlled attention is about directing your mental energy towards achieving your purpose. It's about mastering the art of focus. Teamwork is about understanding that success is a collective effort. It's about leveraging the strengths of others to achieve a common goal. Adversity and defeat are not setbacks, but stepping stones towards success. They are lessons to learn from, not failures to be feared. Creative vision is about imagining possibilities beyond the obvious. It's about thinking outside the box and innovating. Health is integral to success. A healthy mind and body provide the stamina to persevere. Lastly, budgeting time and money teaches us the value of managing resources wisely. It's about investing in things that truly matter. Each of these lessons brings us closer to the pinnacle of personal success. Napoleon Hill's 16 lessons provide a roadmap to personal success. As our journey through the wisdom of Napoleon Hill comes to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the key insights we've gleaned from this experience. Each lesson carries its own weight, and when combined they form a comprehensive guide that can lead us to the pinnacle of personal success. Our journey began with understanding the definiteness of purpose. Remember, it is essential to have a clear goal in mind, as it serves as the North Star guiding our actions and decisions. Without a definite purpose, we might end up wandering aimlessly, achieving little to nothing. Next, we dove into the Mastermind Alliance, which emphasizes the importance of a supportive network. It's crucial to surround ourselves with people who can challenge us, support us, and inspire us to grow. As the saying goes, we are the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with. We then explored applied faith, a reminder to maintain unwavering belief in our capabilities and our purpose. It's not just about having faith, but also about applying it in our actions, decisions, and interactions. Going the extra mile taught us that in the pursuit of success, doing just enough isn't enough. To truly shine, we must strive to exceed expectations, to push our boundaries, and to consistently deliver more than what's asked of us. The pleasing personality lesson highlighted the importance of being a person of good character, charm, and grace. After all, our personality can often be the key to opening doors and building strong relationships. In the final segment, we explored the remaining lessons from Napoleon Hill's wisdom. Each one, in its own unique way, contributes to our personal growth and success. In essence, these lessons are not just strategies, but a mindset, a philosophy that can transform our lives if we let it. But remember, knowledge without action is futile. As Hill said, don't wait, the time will never be just right. So start applying these lessons today and chart your path to success.